So we've got about 10 staff here today working in the community kitchen for Feed More, helping prepare meals for Meals on Wheels. And we've also invited some players from the Richmond Flying Squirrels to be with us. They're packaging meals for distribution and a wider net that Feed More works with. So it's just been a great partnership. We're excited. Nutzy's been around, and it's been a fun day to be together.
What we've discovered is really food insecurity is invisible. You don't know that it might be your neighbor, it might be your classmate, it might be the person that's behind you in a pew in church that doesn't know where their next meal is going to come from. And so being aware of that kind of impact on our community is tremendous for us.
We're very excited about our Strike Out for Hunger promotion along with the Richmond Flying Squirrels. Every time a Richmond Flying Squirrels pitcher throws a strikeout, we make a donation to Feed More. And people can get involved by just being supportive of Feed More, donating food, donating money, helping them do the good work that they do to get food to those people who need it.
We love Virginia Credit Union. It's always a great time to kind of be out in the community and see what people can do. It's wonderful when people kind of combine things and they're doing something to help somebody but also asking them to help their neighbor. So we love their events that they do.
Since about 2010, there's been about 25,000 pounds of food that's been donated to us as well. That triple partnership of volunteer time, direct philanthropic donations, and food donations is really kind of the top of the pyramid for us in terms of corporate involvement. It's tremendous.